Today we're going to be doing heat map makeup. We already primed our face and we got our contacts in. So we're going to start off by putting yellow kind of like right down the middle of our face and down to our neck. We're using the Mehron Fantasy FX. It's just not setting how I want it to, so we're going to wipe it off and use the Athena palette. Well, at least there's a good outline of where I need to go. I'm just going to go over it with the yellow and the Athena palette. There we go. The yellow's done, looking a little bit better. Next, we're going to do like a layer of green. Now we're going to do an outer layer of teal. Now I'm going to set this with some Mehron setting powder. Probably going to have to change my dress, but now we're going to get into eyeshadow and get this really looking like a thermal map. So to start off, we're going to go over the yellow with yellow eyeshadow. As you see, it's quickly going to bring the color right back. Now we're going to go in with this green right here. A little bit onto the eye for later too. Now we're going to go in with this light blue over the blue. Now, we are going in with our reddest of red. So note with the red how I leave a little bit of space between the eyebrows, and that's going to make it look more like a heat map. So I'm going to do that like for the nose, for the cheeks, and down the neck a little bit. A little bit of neck details. And now we're going to go in with a deep blue on the very outer edges. All right, now I'm going to do some final touches and I will show you the final result. And this is the final result. What do we think? I absolutely love this makeup. I think it's so cool. You're going to go have to watch all the transitions. Thank you so much for being here. Bye.